Hello, my name is Metin Arıdaşır. This is the hottest day in Istanbul. This is 236th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, cosmic microwave background radiation is proof of variable light velocities theory of mine, Metin Arıdaşır. In April of the year 2022, I was imagined an electron passing through a sphere. This is electron motion form. This is a hole passes through a sphere, free electron motion form, and its successive waves. Okay. Yes. Accordingly, the inner surface of the sphere was completely covered with detectors. Even all inner surface of the sphere was completely and continuously a single detector. There was a hole in the sphere, and as soon as the electron passed through that hole was closed. Radius of the sphere was 0.9 nanometers, and the radius initial wavelength of the electron motion form was 0.3 nanometers. According to my theory and my formulas, when I applied 20 kilovolt, I calculated that the speed of the electron would be 238,650 km per second, approximately speed of light. Yes. This was the velocity of the light source. Light source is free electron motion form. According to me, electron motion forms, according to me, electron motion forms and their successive light waves were spherical and ring-shaped. And whenever a free electron motion form moved, whenever free electron motion form was in motion, wave velocity, wavelength, and wave energy were varying, changing for each successive wave's surface point at each angle. I didn't know what kind of graph would come out when I did all these calculations according to my theory and my formulas. After 3 days, by calculating and drawing, when I finished drawing, it was the black body radiation graph. Here. From last year, but dusty. Wait a moment. I will clean the dusts. Yes, I'm so sorry. Yeah. So dusty page. Naturally. Yes. I hope you see. This is the graph. That I draw according to my theory and my formulas. This surprised me. This is the pie. Yes. This is my original drawing according to my theory and my formulas. Yes. This is, yes, original. This is so important. This is proof. Black body radiation. Real black body radiation. Like this. Okay. Here. Yes, yes. After 3 days by calculating and drawing, when I finished drawing, it was the black body radiation graph. And it was the cosmic microwave background graph also. Same. This is CMBR, cosmic microwave background radiation observation data graph. Left side. Here my graph. Look at the similarity. Look at the similarity. Look at the similarity between them. Proof. This is proof. Certain proof of my theory and my formulas. One of proof. One of proofs. Yes. After 3 days by calculating and drawing. When I finished drawing, I was the black body. I'm so sorry. After 3 days by calculating and drawing, when I finished drawing, it was the black body radiation graph. This is my computation, calculation, drawing graph according to my theory and my formulas. Right side, this is CMBR observation data. Don't forget, cosmic microwave background radiation is a black body radiation in the same time. Yes, it was the black body radiation graph. And it was the cosmic microwave background radiation graph also. Motion of our solar system as an observer was make point wavelength, point wave velocity, point wave energy, etc. of light sources, waves, vary, change, and I also calculated all of these according to the number of waves that I formulated. Eventually, CMBR, cosmic microwave background radiation data, is one of the proof of my theory and my formulas. And cosmic microwave background radiation is still going on. This radiation is not remnant radiation. peak at noon, now and here. Yes, telescopes, galactic telescopes don't work as time machines, especially optical and infrared telescopes catch the channels of free electron motion forms successive waves. And in the sky, there are no from the past. Yes. Eventually, CMBR data graph is one of the proof of my theory and my formulas. One of the proof of my source-dependent, observer-dependent, I'm so sorry, source-dependent, my source-dependent, observer-dependent wave velocity, varying wave velocity theory. Yes, here, left side, angular scale, multiple moment represents wavelength. Temperature fluctuations represents energy. An angular scale from 90 degree through 0 degree. Left side, CMBR observation data graph at the macro level. Right side, here, observers or sources motion direction angle 0 degree direction, its sources or observers motion direction. 90 degree direction and opposite direction, observers motion direction or source motion directions, opposite direction is 180 degrees. But here I account, and here their data starts from 90 degrees. Okay. Obvious and certain proof of my theory. Here observation, here data, measurement, here my prediction graph. According to my theory and my formulas, I have accounted, computed, and I draw. Here wavelength, here wavelength. Here angles, here angles. Here energy, here energy. Okay. I'm so sorry. Snapshot. Have a good evening. See you later.